external organization receipt movement. To send the receipt externally, first navigate to its location. You can find the option to send the receipt directly in the receipt listing, from where multiple receipts can be sent in one go. Alternatively, to send any specific receipt, user can open the receipt and click the send option from the action bar on the inner page of the receipt. You can choose either method based on your preference. Now, on the receipt send screen, we can see two options available, one is internal, other one is external. By default, the internal option remains selected, that enables users to send receipt to the employees within their own organization, which is the case mostly. However, to send receipt to the employee of other organization, click external option. Upon clicking external, a department field can be seen, listing the name of all external organizations connected with user's own organization to exchange receipts and files. Select an organization from the department drop-down to which you would like to forward the receipt. Next, in the To field, you can search through the names of the employees from the selected external organization who are authorized with role instance receiver to receive files from organizations external to them. Only one recipient can be selected here from the list of available external users. Alongside, user can select the relevant alert option to notify the recipient via email and/or SMS if required. Afterwards, if you need to forward the receipt to multiple employees of the external organization, you can enter their details in the CC field. In the Remarks field, enter accompanying remarks, if any. From Action field, you can quickly assign an action to the receipt from a predefined list of commonly used action verbs. Lastly, if necessary, select the priority from the available options to specify the urgency of the matter. On the right side of the screen, you can see basic details of receipt. Also, you can click Intimate to option available if it is required to send notification to any or all of the officials already in the channel of submission of the receipt. After choosing the organization name, among all the fields mentioned so far, only the To field is mandatory. Once all the required details mentioned above are entered, users can digitally sign the receipt and send it using the e-sign and send option or DSC sign and send option. Alternatively, they can click on the send option to send the receipt without a digital signature, which is only available if the digital signature is not a mandate at your organization. Once the receipt is sent, its details are available in the receipt sent folder of the user. Here, a green check mark is displayed next to all receipts sent externally, indicating successful delivery to the users in the external organization. Additionally, all external receipts sent or received will be marked with an external receipt legend. Thank you.